bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Iyesota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Iyesota. Don't forget the program you are watching today is Kenny Show. You will see my phone number on the screen. WhatsApp only. WhatsApp only. You don't receive calls on this line. You will see my WhatsApp number there. Just send your message on this line. Yes, I'm the publisher of this book, African Power, Solution to Women Problems, ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún ìṣòro ẹ̀dá, honey as a medicine and healing power of honey. The current book is African Power. Many people are buying this book. When you buy the book, you will see these rules. The name of this rules, you will see it inside this book, African Power. Orange peas. Anytime you drink orange, anytime you buy orange, you normally throw away the peas. If you know the importance of it, the spiritual power of orange peas, you will not throw it away again. Yes, how you can use orange peas? You add 1 or 2 things to eat. Yes. When you add 2 things to eat with honey, you lick it every day. Inú igbó lọsàn wà, ọmọ aráyé ló lànà lọ bá. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that labor themselves to find it. You will see the secret inside this book. Yes. In this book, you know, 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. sun. 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. they can never meet each other. So you collect 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand. You mix it together. When you are mixing them together like this, your head will do like this. You can collect your sand 1 a.m. when you are in the office. Then when you are at home, you collect your 1 p.m. sand. It doesn't mean. Even when you travel out of the state or country, 1 a.m. sand there, 1 a.m. here, you can mix it together. It will still work for you. Because some people say that they don't normally stay at home at afternoon. Anytime you stay at home in the afternoon, or when it meets you at your place of work, you can still collect it there. When you are missing them, your head will do like this. Yes, then you will know that you get it at the correct time. It's in this book. Abẹ́rẹ́ olókọ́nù òkun tó di. It's here. Yes, you put it in your pocket. You can put it in your car. What you will do, what we have to do, 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand is in this book. How to use orange peas is here. Then the name of these rules is in the book. When your wife always complain, yes, and you begin to correct. You don't know the reason. Buy this book, you will see the reason. Some people, they are now asking me about the glass. The glass that I told you, I will talk about spiritual power of glass. How you can get away, how you can get back your runaway husband. How to get back your runaway wife. Those who are calling me, I told them, even if you want to use glass, you need to remove hatred from your body first. If you don't remove hatred from your body, when your runaway husband come back and still meet you, he will run away again. Yes. You are a man. There's hatred on your body. We are talking of how to remove hatred from your body. It's here. It's even in order as a medicine book. You don't buy anything. You refuse to buy. Instead of you went to beer parlor to spend your money. Even when your wife come back and meet you with that dirty, she will not stay She come back to say, hey, I only come to visit my children. Immediately she see you again, she will run away again. Because the hatred that is in your body before she left, that hatred is still there. You need to remove hatred from your body before you talk about glass. That glass, I will still release the information, but it's going to be in my new book. It's going to be in my new book, African Power Part 2. Many people are calling me that this book is supposed to get Part 2, supposed to get Part 2. Now, I'm working on Part 2. You know old newspapers, when you gather old newspapers, Tribune, Punch, Guardian, The Nation, all these Yoruba papers, Alaroye, Akéde Àgbáyé, you mix them together like this. When you burn them, you add 1 or 2 things to it. The thing that doesn't cost you more than 100 naira, you add it to that old newspapers. How you will use it to get popular, to be famous. You're a musician, you want people to know you. You're a presenter, so that people will listen to your programs. There are some programs on radio. When it is their time, people will tune off the radio, or they off the radio. They off the radio set. Some television presenter, when they are doing programs, some people will look at, oh, help me change that channel. Now, user person won't talk. It's not like that. When you use something like this, people will be waiting for your programs. Mechanic, it will be as if you are the only mechanic in the area. People will be patronizing you. You are a seller. Yes, you get a shop, you are selling. People will be looking for you. Before you come to shop, people will be waiting for you. Old newspapers. Old newspapers that people have bought before, you also have read it before. You gather them. How to do this is going to be my new book, African Power Part 2. How to use looking glass to collect, to bring back your heirs, your old boyfriend, your old girlfriend, or your wife, or your husband that ran away from you. How to collect. But before that time, you need to remove it from your body. That's what I always say. You about get power. Today, I want to teach you how can you stone. This is stone, ordinary stone. This is soap. You will just cut this one to pieces. If you are used to native soap, you can use your own native soap. If it is native soap, what should you do? You don't need to do anything with that one. You put it in a plastic. This is stone. You put it inside it. If it is Oyinbo soap that you want to use, you will melt it, cut it into pieces, put water to it. You can use hot water to melt it or cold water. When you see that it has already melted, then you remove the water. Just put stone on it. Don't add anything. The stone will never cry of headache. The stone will never cry of witches and wizards. The stone will never cry of stomach ache. Yes. You take it, you take your bath with it 2 times in a week. You can use it in the night. You can use it in the night. You can use it in the morning. I am saying this because some people are following me that all this do this to become rich. They told me God has blessed them. God has already blessed them. They have been blessed. But they are only fear of these evil people not to disturb them. They will not disturb you again. Unless they can disturb stone. They will not disturb you again. Anywhere we put stone, it's always a safe place for the stone. Whether you use it to build your house, you do everything, it's always a resting place. Put it in your soup. Take your bath with it. By the special grace of God, it is your enemies that will not sleep. It is your enemies that will always cry. You will get power. Africa get power. Wait for my new book, African Power, Series 2, Part 2, you will see. Wọ́n ní wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n dé káràfẹ́ nìkan jọ sí. Ó ní tákàrà ọ̀bà tó kán tó wá gba ẹ̀wà sí. Òun dàbá yìí kò jára ayé kò jára ọ̀run. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lóògùn kà lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ lóògùn burúkú lọ́wọ́. Tí ẹ bá gbé síta lásìkò yìí. Tí ẹ bá gbé síta lásìkò yìí. Ẹ tẹ́ ẹ máa fẹ́ lù, tẹ́ ẹ máa pèta, tẹ́ ẹ mẹsẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ bù. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbé síta lásìkò yìí. Odùduwà fìyà jẹ yín. Lísàbí agbègbè àkàlà. Ó gbé tiẹ̀ síta lòkìkí ẹ̀ fi kàn. Iṣẹ́ tí Mọ́remí Àjàsorò ṣe òkìkí ẹ̀ kádùn ní. Ògúnmọ́lá bá sọ̀rùn Ìbàdàn ó ní n tó ṣe nígbà ayé ẹ̀. Ògèdèǹgbé agbógungóró ọba Ǹjẹ̀ṣà ó ní n tó ṣe tá a fi pò kìkí ẹ̀. Ẹ dákẹ́ yàrá. Tọ́bẹ̀ bá jiná tẹ́kẹ́ mọ́ pé lágbájá kan ọ̀kàwé tàmọ̀dù ọ̀kàwé. Èyí ti kọ́ ọmọ yín kò lé o ẹ kọ́ ọmọ yín sápamọ́. Àwọn náà lè fẹ́ wá rù wá kọ́ ọmọ wá ṣe lórí bọ̀ báyà. Òfò lẹ́sẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lóògùn kà lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ ẹ̀ gbé síta lásìkò yìí. Ojú àgbámiláwa yìí. Àràbà túnra mú o àràbà túnra mú o àràbà túnra mú o odò ń gbárèrè odò ní gbèràn Yorùbá lọ. Don't forget the program you are watching. Kíni show television kíni show ẹ máa mi share rẹ̀. Please help me share this program. Help me share. Yes, if you have never subscribed to this channel, help me subscribe. Help me subscribe to this channel. Kíni show television. Kíni show. Till next time when you meet me again, don't forget my sister stations, Baba Oloyin Original Television. As you are watching this season, watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.